Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'll show you guys how we can fix this NVIDIA Broadcast Application Error. I'm using Windows 11 Pro N Edition. If you are not familiar with N Edition, it doesn't comes with pre-installed packages. Due to the European policies or something. But some of the packages are very essential for our NVIDIA broadcast to work. So I'm going to install those packages first. So in order to install that, we have to go inside the settings and click system. There you can find an option called optional features. Currently the optional features are moved inside the system section, but if you are using older version of Windows 11 or Windows 10, you may even find it on the app section. So now click the view features. Now you have to install this media feature pack. So check this box and click next and click this. So once it's installed, you have to restart your PC. But sometimes it may actually get error. So if you get the error, you just need to add it again just by going inside the view features and finding this media package and install it again. And this time it succeeded for me, so I'm going to restart my PC now. After restarted my PC, I opened the NVIDIA broadcast again, but this time also I got an error, but this time it's a different error. So now I'm going to reinstall my NVIDIA broadcast, and obviously it is going to rewrite the configuration for me, and this time it will work. I am 100% sure because I already tested it. Let's test this, shall we? I hope this helps you guys. Feel free to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.